What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to reset Whirlpool Dishwasher. So, you might be wondering, how do you exactly reset your Whirlpool Dishwasher here? Well, this one's really easy. So, first things first is you want to unplug the dishwasher from the power outlet here. So, if you can unplug it easily or you can't reach it, the plug, what you need to do is you want to basically turn the circuit breaker here, just in case. Now, from then on, basically you're cutting off from any power from it. Now you want to wait for about like 1 to 5 minutes here. So this actually pauses or clears out temporary bugs in the system. And once you've done that, plug it back in or turn the breaker back on. Now, next is you may want to do other things here, just in case this does not work or this does not clear any of the issues that you're currently encountering. So first is you want to turn the dishwasher on and don't start any wash cycle here. Just make sure it's powered and sitting idle. Now, you want to press the buttons in this exact order. Heat, dry, normal, heat, dry, and then normal. Now, in this case, after pressing those buttons in sequence, the control panel lights should start blinking or lighting up here. That means that the dishwasher is now going into reset mode. And yeah, so just let it will run itself and it should be good. But yeah, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.